everyone, and welcome to another exciting interview by Financial Insight. My name is Mwelwa Kenneth and I'm right here in Lusaka, Zambia at the 97th edition of the Agriculture and Commercial Show, where we are positioning ourselves with Stanbic Bank Zambia to find out what's been going on in their personal and private banking division. Edith, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having us.
I'm quite excited to be here.
Absolutely. Now, Edith, for many that don't know what your role is in personal and private banking, are you able to just share with our viewers what you do at the bank?
So quickly, Edith Chuma. I look after client coverage in Stanbic Bank, personal and private banking, which is really looking after the branch network as well as the ATM operations. So it's really points of representation for Stanbic Bank where clients can access the financial services.
Right, and we've obviously noticed that the branch, when it comes to branch network, you guys are all over the country, and the ATMs are all over the place. But we understand that the bank is obviously known for a number of firsts on the market, and in particular, we noted that you've been party to digital financial services on electronic platforms, as you'd mentioned, as well as some firsts such as cash advance facilities, as well as the recently launched StanPay. Are you able to just share with us, how Stanbic's innovations are contributing to financial inclusion and driving Zambia's economic growth?
Thank you very much. I think I will start by stating that at Stanbic Bank we recognize that digital financial services keeps evolving, and there's a lot of innovation that is coming from there. At Stanbic Bank, we are quite proud to be the first bank that launched a digital loan, which allows customers to have access to financing within a period of 3 minutes. Wow. And these loans can be accessed up to 800,000. So this allows our customers to stay away from going to a branch network for you to go and get financing, but rather you can do that in the comfort of your own workplace or at home. And that is really a huge leap in innovation for us. Our digital financial loans actually have hit a milestone of a 1 billion kwacha, which is really testament that we are committed to making sure that we reach our clients and we make access to financing quite easy and accessible for our clients. So we have kept on innovating, and in recent months we actually launched what we called initially the Smart Mahafu, which is an overdraft facility that our clients can access even on USSD. For us, we can safely say that this is the first where we've allowed clients to access up to 25,000 kwacha, and they have about 30 days to repay this facility. And the facility, I must state that it's actually interest-free, which is really a first in the market, if you ask me. And we're quite proud to be the bank that was the first to bring this kind of product to our clients. Our innovation continues in various aspects of digital innovation. We recently also launched SmartPay, like you said, which is really what we did in partnership with Consequence. And this allows our clients to be able to access their money and be able to make payments online seamlessly. That is really testament to our commitment to making sure that we support digital financial services.
We recall in 2024 that as part of the bank's expansion plan, you launched your first net zero ready branch in Central Province in Mukushi. Are you able to just share with us how this branch has performed in Central Province?
So this branch for us is really just a symbol of our commitment to our net zero goals. What I will tell you is the branch has worked quite well. It has inspired a lot of confidence in the community, because in a community like Mukushi, it's really about bringing the rural community together to understand the bank's commitment to net zero goals, and also just the fact that we offer uninterrupted supply of service to our customers. So this branch works 100% on renewable energy. We do not have load shedding as you've seen around the country, but rather the branch continues to operate. It actually brings a lot of resources together. It brings the business community together, and we have inspired a lot of confidence in Mukushi because of the branch that we have put in there. Our customers are confident that they will access service anytime they will go into the branch. There's no break in service whatsoever. So it's really been, for us, it's really been one of the areas where we can showcase our commitment. We have also gone ahead to just make sure that as we look at our branches, as we upgrade, we are transitioning to renewable energy. And that is quite exciting for us, because having gone through the drought that we had last year, it actually challenged us to do better things that will allow our customers to have access to the financial services. And the Mukushi branch was the first step in that. But I can confirm to you that even when you look at our ATM network, we have actually added renewable energy to make sure that our customers can have access to the ATMs at any time without any break in service. So those are the things that we are doing. And just to reiterate our commitment as Stanbic Bank to sustainability, and also our commitment to making sure that we deliver to our clients in terms of their requirements and also access to financing. And just to add that as we continue to expand our network and as we also continue to just look at how we can transition most of our network to renewable energy, we have committed to going ahead and just changing a lot of things in terms of the way we do and what sort of energy we'll put in our network. You might be interested to know that we have actually gone ahead and upgraded all our 100 ATMs and made sure that they are all on renewable energy and power backup to make sure that we are able to offer our services to our clients seamlessly without power interruptions.
Does the bank have any plans of extending such solutions, like such type of branches across the country as well?
Yes, for the future, definitely. And also, most of the branches that we have, there are times when we need to upgrade them. And as we do the upgrades, we want to take that opportunity to make sure that we transition as well to renewable energy in all the branches that we are upgrading.
Okay. Right, and maybe just on a final note, what have been some of the conversations that you've had at the stand? Have people been coming to ask a little bit about what PPBB has been doing?
Yes, and what's really interesting about the theme now, if you look around the stand, it's really about our commitment to climate change. And when you look at a time like this, most of our personal clients and would-be clients who would then approach us here are talking a lot about how do they also tap into renewable energy. So we do have a number of partners that we work with that you will then coordinate together and are able to offer financial services and also are able to support clients in terms of alternative energy as well as renewable energy if they want to go into that area.
Absolutely, absolutely. No, Edith, thank you so much for speaking to us. And to our viewers, thank you so much for watching as we continue to cover Stanbic at the 97th edition of the Agriculture and Commercial Show. I've been your host for this interview, and as we always say, Financial Insight, get to know.